Okay, before this video starts, here's a shout out to Dark Deception Gamer because he was the one who actually made this scenario. If you want to sub to his channel, go sub to him.
Year? Are we talking about next year already?
We'll get to that. We're
okay,
let's stand up.
Let's
Here we go. It's about to happen. Here we are. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We interrupt your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Do not turn off your television, as this is leading to a nationwide crisis. At approximately December 31st, 2019, the Times Square New Year's ball was struck by one long-range intercontinental ballistic missile, or ICBM for short, has hit the New Year's ball, making the United States not experience 2020, and making 2019 repeat itself again. We don't know if North Korea, Russia or China is involved, so this is not yet confirmed. All residents within a 200-mile radius of New York City are advised to seek a fallout shelter or basement for 14 days. President Trump will speak on all radio stations shortly. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable stations shall transmit this emergency action notification. The station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will be on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KGW8. We will continue to serve the Portland metropolitan area. If you're not in this area, tune to other radio stations providing news in your area. The emergency alert system has been activated.